What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. But today we're going to be doing another install video. I actually have a couple coming up, but then after that I'm going to be doing different type of videos because I'm not really going to be installing much more on the truck. I mean, I will be installing some stuff in the future. Maybe I'll give you a little preview. It's kind of sitting back here and you kind of see that a little bit, but that's for another day. And I only have one so far, so we'll talk about that another day. But anyway, today we're going to be talking about something that I got from MHR, which is Make Him Famous. So if you guys been watching, I did install their carbon fiber bezel, and I just want to say it's good quality. It's just a little off from the OEM carbon fiber, but it's not like too much. Like it kind of already like sits well with me. When I first put it in, I wanted it to be exact. But I mean, for them to match, exact from the factory, I mean, I'm sure that's pretty tough. So unless I replace all the carbon fiber in the truck that came from factory to their carbon fiber, it's not going to be an exact match, which I'm okay with. I didn't like the silver on the side, so honestly, it doesn't bother me too much. But I did get a new thing from them today, and it's going to be the final piece of the interior. And let me show it to you here, so you guys can see it. Red stitching to match the interior. And now I will have, let's get a little more onto the sunlight. It's going to be a matte carbon shifter, and I opted for the gloss black. I guess release button. So very happy with it. I mean, it feels great quality, feels good in the hands, and it's honestly very nice. So you know what? I don't think it takes much. I don't think it takes much to install this. It looks like it just takes one torque screw. So I do have my drill, well, my impact driver with a torque screw bit, and then I just have what do you call them, like the plastic pry stuff to take stuff off the car and stuff like that. So I'm gonna try to use this plastic one, and I'll maybe this little one and try to get in there, but I'll show you guys how to do the install. So let's get in the truck. All right, so we're in the truck right now. So you don't have to remove this whole piece. It's basically just going to be like right here, probably just like literally right in here. I kind of have to just dig into where the leather starts, and hopefully it should pop out. I have a lot of sand in here from going to the beach and stuff, so actually it'll be nice to kind of clean that a little bit. But that's, so what I was talking about, the carbon fiber, you can kind of see it's a little off. That's OEM, this is theirs, and then actually the wheel matches very well with the interior carbon fiber from the factory. And then we got this, which matches this right there. But anyway, I mean, it's gonna look a lot nicer. Look at this. I mean, stock compared to what this is gonna look like. It looks like the red stitching is the same, so that'll match exactly, but definitely an upgrade. Let me kind of pull this down, there you guys can kind of see it. But yeah, definitely gonna be a nice little upgrade. You can see my dog, he kind of chills. I put like a towel here, and he rests his paws over here and his back legs like on the floor. But like whenever I stop or anything, his nails come forward because he like tries to like brace. I don't like him doing that, but he just loves to sit like that, and it's cool when he's like sitting next to me. And I'm not gonna have him sit in the front because he sheds so much. You can see dog hair all over the truck. It's just all over. But yeah, so let's try to replace this right now, and it should just be pretty easy. Pop this one out, loosen up the torque screw, remove it, put this one in, tighten up the torque screw, and that should basically be the whole install. So let me try to dig this out really quick, and then I'll show you how I did it. All right, so I tried using these plastic ones, but they're a little on the thicker side and they don't really grip too well once you put it in there. So I ended up popping out this side, and I ended up using this metal one. I got this kit on eBay. I think it was like 10 bucks or something. So basically I just stuck this in there like that, and then just kind of pressed up against, and it popped out. So hopefully I can pop the whole thing out now, which it looks like it's just coming out. All right, so all right, cool. So it's out, and then you can see the torque screw right there. So let me grab my impact driver really quick, and then I'm just gonna remove that screw. All right, so ended up cleaning up a little bit, ended up taking the torque screw out with this torque screw bit. I had to raise this so that way I can kind of get my impact driver in there, but it's pretty easy. Now this should just kind of pop out. So yeah, just popped out simple. So it's like that. Just pulled it out, no problem. And this one actually comes with a new screw. So I'm gonna loosen this one. So this comes with a new screw. I'm gonna loosen this up and then basically just plop it in and then just make sure all these tabs go in, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Got it on, have the new screw in there. I hand tighten it, so I'm just gonna tighten it a little bit. I don't wanna get too aggressive where I strip it. So I'm just gonna tighten it as much as possible and then just use the impact driver just a little bit, very slow, and just kind of make it where it's tight enough that, you know, obviously won't come out. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. All right, let's see. So yeah, that's about as tight as I'm gonna go. I don't want to strip it. I don't want it to break. And then we should be able to just pull this leather down and kind of pop everything in. That kind of popped in. All right. Looks nice. I love the way it looks. Oh my God, so much better than OEM. Wow. Let's make sure it works. So let me turn on the truck. All right, truck is on, no codes. So I'm gonna press the shifter back to drive. It's in drive mode. Go to reverse. It's in reverse. And yeah, that's it. All right guys, so that's gonna do it for this video. I apologize, I'm sweating. It's like so humid out in New York. It's been raining a lot, but the humidity is like insane. It's really, really hot. I'm just dripping sweat right now. But I want to get this install done. And I told you guys I'm gonna do an update video, so that's definitely gonna be my next one. And I'll let you guys know what I've done to the truck, what I plan on doing to the truck and everything like that. So definitely stay tuned for that video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you're new to the channel, like I said, please hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.